Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to fade in and fade out audio songs on your Reel timeline. So if you're creating a Reel on your Instagram app and you want to learn how to fade in and fade out songs, then let me show you how to do this. So first we have our Instagram open. We'll go ahead and tap on the plus sign to post a Reel. Let's go ahead and select a video. Now we'll go ahead and tap on next, and then we'll tap on edit video to enter in the timeline mode. We'll go ahead and add a audio. Now to fade in and fade out this song on your Reels timeline, go ahead and select it. And at the bottom here, you have to find fade. This is a new option. As you can see, new, tap on this. And here you'll be able to set how much you want to fade. So you can go ahead and select 1 second fade or 2 second fade. And bottom, you can go ahead and select the fade out. So you can set it to 1 second, 1 second. Once you're happy, tap done. And now when you press play and you hear the song, it'll basically fade in and then it'll be played at full volume. And at the end, it'll be basically fade out. So there you go, guys. That is how to fade in and fade out audio songs on your Reels timeline on Instagram. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.